Today I'm going to show you my makeup set. Look, it's a princess makeup set. Okay, now let's start from unboxing it. Just try it first. It's a bit too messy, but it was new and at my children's day. It was a children's day gift. We did so many activities and we had so much fun to do this. That's the way I like that children's day. I'll show you, but it's a bit rude. I didn't want it to show you. Because I don't like people looking at your makeup set. So please, I'm feeling shy. I will just put in my nails. This one. Now I will show you where to put the nail. In my finger. I'll put it on my finger. Then another nail. It was falling down. Now I'll show you the results later. I'm wearing these nails because it's my favorite to nail the nails. It's my hobby. Look that. It looks super duper pretty, guys. If you want this for free, you need to like and subscribe my channel and come to my house. Actually, I'm Indian, so can I make talk in Indian? Please, like Indian talk, but I'm a bit shy to talk in Indian, please. Now, my favorite nail color blush. This is my favorite. Can you guys see how satisfying it is? Look, it's like this. A baby finger is a bit long, but it's okay still. Now let's wear off the brother finger. I may show you these makeup sets for liking it. Oh, this must be for daddy finger or mommy finger or brother finger. Let's just try it on brother finger. It must look better. Just put too much nail paint on so it could stick even more. Look guys, my nail art is complete. Do you like it? Then tell me in the comments. I want you to know. I just like it. Now I'll show you my makeup, okay? Makeup, I said. Makeup, okay? Now I want you guys to look at my makeup. I will show you the results later. Now, I'm going to put on my blush. Pink color blush. And put it on my cheeks, I guess. I just have to put it on my cheeks properly. It's not a bit properly. Sorry guys, I don't like to show. I'm feeling a bit shy like this. I have different kinds of these blush. So I wanted to show you my makeup. Now I will show you my lipstick. It's a bit ruined, but it's okay. I'll take the red shade. These are called mini lipstick. Now let's show you. It's so satisfying and cute. So, guys, do you like my lipstick? Okay, thank you. I found everything that you wanted. Now I'm going to do my eye makeup. Now let's take the shades first. I'll choose, oh, I take the wrong shade. This shade doesn't look better. I'll take the yellow shade. Today, do you think I'm looking like Cinderella? Okay, it's a bit bad. The cameraman. Look at my results. Now I'm going to my little eyelashes makeup. Take a little shade, Aviyana. It's not working. It's too much. I won't. Jen, I'm ready for the party now. Guys, and let's go. This is my terrace garden. If you like it, tell me in the comments. And I'll show you my heels look and my sandals look. 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 My mom loves me. My mom loves me because she buys me everything. Now I'll show you my frocks. Look. Do I look pretty? And like Cinderella? Thank you.